I'm continuously amazed and mesmerized by the patterns in nature. And the patterns in nature, I guess, resonate with me because of their uniformity of the structure, probably which is why I really resonated, because I need it in my head, which is why I'm so attracted to beautiful succulents. And not only that, but in the petals of a flower, because there's always a consistency, there's a pattern. And that pattern, believe it or not, is actually universally known. And it's known as the Fibonacci principle. To be precise, it's called, according to the numbers, 1.618. Now, it's a complicated theory, which has been proven, who was discovered by this chap called Fibonacci. But it is found in plants, it's found in pine cones, it's found in weather patterns, and it's found probably in the tiles if they've got a pattern on them in your home, because they were discovered way back in Egypt, in the Egyptian pyramids. So the symmetry, I guess, is called the golden rule. And if you Google golden rule, you'll see what it is. But it's called the golden ratio. And I guess they call it the golden ratio because it really is mesmerizing. And everything that we see that has that ratio just is calm, it's balanced, it works whether on its own or in a group, and it is a universal principle, which I quite like.